Acne Extraction Needle.
Item specifics. Brand name, Efero. False eyelash craft, machine made. Material, metal. Size, 125mm/116mm. Quantity, 3 pieces. Different needles. Acne needle tool, face care. Use, Blackhead Extractor. Description: ideal for removing unwanted flaw, such as acne and blackhead. It can nip the acne and blackhead conveniently. Can also be used to poke and squeeze out white fluids of acne. Great accessory to help you look more beautiful. 100% brand new and high quality. Designed for comfort and precision, nice and durable. Made of stainless steel, provides the safest way to skincare. Direction: clean your skin before extractions to avoid infections. Simply place the loop end over the top of the blackhead and press it gently. The blackhead would just pop out easily. Best to do it after shower. Clean the extractor with cotton and alcohol after use.
Blackhead Pimples Acne Needle. 9,592 orders. Average star rating, 4.9 out of 5. Buyer protection. Full refund if you don't receive your order. Payment methods. We support the following payment methods. Just visit the description link. Get more details and buy here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.